What's good, everybody? It's your boy LSB back with another video. Now today I'll be showing you how to make thumbnails and how I make my thumbnails. Sorry if you hear anything in the background. I don't know why I'm saying that, but at school, one of my friends, he is a YouTuber. I'll leave a link in the description below if you want to see his YouTube channel. But the reason why I'm doing this tutorial video, and this is actually my first tutorial video, is because my friend has been begging me to make thumbnails. So I decided, why not? I'm just gonna make a tutorial video on thumbnails. The photo editor that I'm using is Gimp. I'm using Gimp 2.8. So if you're using a newer model, I don't know if the same procedures are gonna work as this, but also I'll leave a link in the description to Gimp 2.8. I'm sorry if you heard that. So let's get started. So hold on, let me go over here. For a background, you need a size of 1920 by 1080. So let me see if I can find one here. There we go. That's one. Boom. Okay, I already did this thumbnail, so let's not do this one. Control Z. I don't want that one. Nope. Get out of here. Wait. So. Okay. Right. We'll do this one. Okay. Same thing. Never mind. Probably the same thing. Yep. Same thing. Jesus. How can I not find 1920 by 1080 people? That's all I'm looking for. Do I not have one? But you know what? Here, let me go on Google. So you want to go on Google, say you want to type in 1920 by, okay, I already have it typed in, 1920 by 1080 wallpaper red and black. You don't have to do red and black. I'm doing red and black because that's my channel color, red and black. You want to find 1920 by 1080. Okay, so here's one. I'm gonna pick that one, drop it down here. Gimp. Okay, I think this is way too small. Let me do this again. So let me visit their sites. What? I have to log in. Oh, Jesus. Nobody cares about this. Nobody cares. Don't look at that. My sword. Jesus. Visit sites. Simple. Yes, simple. That's all I need. Simple. Simply. Okay, that is not going to work. Yeah, that is not going to work. Wow. Can I not download this? You guys gonna do the same thing. Oh, maybe not. Shut my mouth. Right size? Okay, yep, right size. So, now that you have your 1920 by 1080 background, I should have all this stuff ready. So, there's a type of font that I use with lettering. So, say if I wanted to do lettering right here, I want to type in Gimp 2. That's a comma 2.8 thumbnail tutorial. I cannot spell. Now, depending on the size of your letterbox, you want to change it to at least 100, like at least 100 or over, depending on what your letterbox is. So I use this font called Obelix Pro. This is not automatically downloaded in Gimp. You have to go to this website called dafont.com. Dafont. Jesus. No, not Dafont. Font. And there are, if you go to dafont.com, you see all of these fonts right here. And if I type in Obelix Pro, that's what it looks like. There are multiple different Obelix Pro, well, only 3, but I chose this one. So you want to click on download. I already have it downloaded, so I'm not going to do it. But when you open it, it'll show the letters, and there's like a little install box that you have, the install button that you have to click. Then it'll install it into Gimp. But the thing is, you can't be in Gimp while it's installing, because at the beginning, if you start up Gimp, it's going to say looking for fonts. This may take, I'm sorry if you heard that, looking for fonts. This may take a while. So that's why. So Obelix Pro, I like to use Obelix Pro Bold or Obelix Pro Bold Italic. I'm going to use Bold Italic. Change this to white. Yeah, white. As you can see, and make sure you always center your letters, because it's gonna look crazy. I don't like it. Okay, so now that you have your favorite, you don't have to use this font, but this is what most YouTubers use for fonts. But now that you have the font that you picked, you want to go over here, right click on the text, and you want to go all the way down to alpha to selection. It'll highlight, it'll highlight everything right here. And there's this thing called gradient. There's a gradient tool, and there's like this weird gradient that you can use. Usually I use red and black because this is what it looks like. That looks nice. I'm gonna use that one. Now, maybe you're saying right now you can't even see it if you're blind, because you can't even see it that well. Well, that's because I'm going to show you this one thing, and make sure you're still in alpha to selection. It'll stay in forever, but you want to go to select, grow, and usually I do it by 5 points or 5 things, whatever, but I'm going to do 10 because that's a normal size. Click OK. It'll show up as a big bubbly thing right here. Now, you want to pick your color. Make sure that the color that you want as an outline is on top, not the bottom, because if you do it inverted or the opposite way, it's going to do a red outline. So you want to make sure that you have white or your other color on the top that you want as an outline. So you want to go to this paint bucket tool, and if you want to zoom in, you have to do control and move the mouse wheel up, and then just press on that, and now you see this is outlined. Let me finish this. Okay, no, that's not what I want. No. Okay, there we go. Alright, just make sure everything is okay. Yeah, everything should be fine. Okay, so next thing I like to do is something called a drop shadow. You may not be able to see it, but if you're using a lighter background like blue, white, like blue, white, light red, I don't think there is a light red, but you want to go to filters and go to light and shadow, and then you want to come over here and go to drop shadow. The best settings would be offset 8, offset X 8, offset at Y 8, and the blur radius should be around 35 to 40. I like to do 36. Make sure the color is black. Make the opacity all the way to 100, and make sure you uncheck this box because it's gonna mess up your lettering. Press OK. Now you might not be able to see it, but that's what's supposed to be because it's a red black background. But if you want to make it more pop out, you want to press Control F, Control F again, Control F again, Control F again, Control F again, until you start actually seeing it. Because like you see right there that shadow, you see that shadow. I think that's it. Actually, here's what I'm gonna do. Go up here, Gimp logo PNG. That's what you want to type in. Gimp logo PNG. Let me type this, get this one in. Okay, this looks nice. Put that in there. Now, hold on. I had this problem before. Wait, okay. Edit. Okay. Oh yeah, that's what I was gonna do. So you want to get your GIMP logo, drop it down right here. That's a little bit too big, so you want to go to the scaling tool right here, click on that. I'm like, I hate when it does this because it'll show, like, you know what I mean, but I'm not gonna mess with the scaling because I'm lazy, so I'm just gonna keep it like this. So yeah, that's a basic tutorial on how to make thumbnails for YouTube videos or any type of social media that you put videos on, like not social media, but Twitch, Mixer, YouTube, anything like that. So if you want to save and export this file, you want to go to File. Make sure you do Save As. I'm gonna hold on. Let me burp for a second. Okay. I'm gonna call this Gimp. Wait, Gimp. Yeah. Gimp. Thumbnail. And I'm gonna save that onto my desktop. Save. Now I have it saved so I can go back and edit it later if I want to. Now if you want to export it, you want to go to Export As. Make sure it's JPG or JPEG. because if you do PNG, it's going to be translucent or transparent to another picture. So you want to type in JPG. So again, I'm going to save this on my desktop, export, make sure the quality is all the way up to 100, of course, and you can export it. Now if I go back over here, let me see if I can find right here, and there you go. That's your thumbnail. It's a little crappy because of this thing. Don't worry about that. So that's it for this tutorial. Like, comment, and subscribe on this video. Turn on the notifications bell and share this video. Let's get this video to at least 5 likes. And you already know what it is. Peace out.